This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. It has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, heated front seats, a 12-speaker audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, 20-inch wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, a rear spoiler, a security system, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 4,000 miles on the odometer. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Ford Auto World is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2721 Broadway Street in Anderson.